Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and check if we do have this size over there. 195, 65, 15. Yeah, this is EV6 battery, and this is EV9 battery. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this one tomorrow. Should I film it? Well, let me know down below. So we got a set of tires here, which is 195, 65, 15. All right, this is our size right here. Okay, so let's undo this one. I'm using 21 millimeter. Okay. Ooh. Oops. Some water here. Gonna need that. Make sure the TPMS is in the bottom. Earlier, the TPMS is way up here, so we don't kill it. It's gonna be the same way. TPMS location is on the bottom. Whoops. Whoops. Come on, don't do that. All right, TPMS location is up here. You gotta kill the bead. There we go. Then we can remove the weights, the old weights. It's right there where all the tools goes. Huh. Okay. there's supposed to be a trash can here. Now it's gone. Okay. Uh-oh. Here we go. Then set this up. We need more. Right there. Secure this. Just that. One down. Okay. So make sure, there we go, there's inside right there. And are they gonna put outside? Nope, they didn't put outside, but yeah, this one is going inside. Okay, so remember, inside. Oops. Okay, to mount this, TPMS location is right there. Alright, then make sure this bead, okay, make sure this bead is gonna be up there. Right? Then spin this. Okay, it's gonna be the same way. Okay. Sweet. Then you're gonna put pressure or PSI. It's gonna pop twice. I'm holding my ear right now. Alright. Now let's go grab one of this swader valve. Okay. Then we're gonna undo this. Go to this machine. This one is the right size. Don't be lazy. Remove this. All right. Then we're gonna go ahead, adjust this, and make sure both sides. Then we're gonna go ahead and adjust tire pressure to 35. Oops. Oh no. I made a mistake. There you go. My bad. There. Then I should adjust the pressure first. Adjust the pressure to 35 psi. Right now, somebody else did a 36. Not bad, but I want 35. There you go. It's good. Don't forget cap. And we're gonna go ahead and close it. It's gonna spin and measure how much weight we need. On this side, we need 75 ounce. Do we have here? Here, 75. Okay, try it again. Other side. It needs. Oh, we're gone. We are gone. We have some here. Oh. What is this? This one is 75. Oh, we got some down here. I'm lying. Okay, nope, it's gonna go this way. All right, the first one is good. And it's going to be the same process on this guy and these two more. All right, thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.